Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Raken app is, how it works, and whether it's worth using for construction project management. Based on real features, feedback, and user experience, Raken is a construction management app designed to help contractors and field crews streamline job site reporting, time tracking, and compliance. Its main features include daily reports, time cards, photo documentation, safety and toolbox talks, and real-time field updates. One of its strongest points is how mobile-friendly it is, especially for field workers who need to document progress or submit reports from their phones or tablets. The daily reporting feature allows supervisors to record job site updates, crew hours, weather conditions, and notes all in one place. These reports can be automatically compiled and sent to stakeholders, which saves a lot of time compared to traditional paperwork. It also supports voice-to-text for hands-free entry and integrates with major construction software like Procore, Autodesk, and QuickBooks. Raken's time tracking lets crew members clock in and out using their phones, while supervisors can approve and export those time cards with a few taps. The app also includes a production tracking feature that connects time entries to actual job site progress, giving you a better understanding of costs and productivity. You can track by cost code, crew, or task, making it useful for larger teams. On the safety side, Raken includes a library of toolbox talks and allows you to record attendance, signatures, and even photos to document compliance. There are also checklists and custom safety reports that can be generated and stored securely for contractors needing to meet strict safety documentation requirements. This part of the app is especially useful. As for pricing, Raken offers a free trial, but its paid plans are geared more toward medium and large construction businesses. It's generally considered worth it for companies looking to eliminate paperwork and improve real-time communication between the office and field. However, smaller crews might find the cost high unless they heavily rely on daily documentation. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.